Hi, I'd like to talk to you about these little individual packets of the Shout Wipe and Goes. Now, these are perfect for travel in your RV, your car. If you eat in your car, you need these in your glove compartment. So I purchased them in a box of 80, and now I can put them in my desk at work and put them in my purse because you never know when you're going to need one. So let me show you. So they're a nice size, and then they're just perfect. They're already moist for you to like clean up, because you never know when every time I'm eating, I'm always wearing it. So these are perfect for me to keep in my purse, in my suitcase, in my RV when I'm traveling, no matter where I'm at, in my car. You never can go too far without, you're always spilling something, and you always need something to wipe it up. And these work really well. I've used them before, and they just take out that spot so you don't look so obvious that you're wearing food that you ate. On the go kind of product. This is perfect for the person that is on the go. Throw a few in your briefcase and you're ready to go. And that is just my honest opinion.